Top 5 remote jobs that hire Africans in 2025. No visa needed. You don't need a visa. You don't need to live in Europe. And you definitely don't need to spend years chasing impossible opportunities. Right now, in 2025, thousands of businesses across Europe and the UK are actively hiring remote workers from Africa. And they care more about your skills than your location. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 remote jobs that are hiring Africans this year, and giving you real tips to get started even if you're brand new. So if you're serious about earning in pounds and euros without leaving home, stick around. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Remote Hustle Europe, the place where smart Africans learn how to build powerful remote careers, one opportunity at a time. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because we share job leads, skill-building guides, and success strategies every single week. All right, now let's get into the real talk. Top 5 remote jobs hiring Africans in 2025. Number 1. Virtual Assistant, VA. Imagine being the go-to person for busy entrepreneurs or small businesses, helping them manage schedules, respond to emails, book meetings, and keep everything organized. That's exactly what a virtual assistant does. And here's the exciting part. You don't need 10 certifications. You just need organization skills, reliability, and strong communication. Real example. A Kenyan VA I know started by managing the inbox for a UK real estate agent. Today, she's managing 3 clients, earning over £1,500 a month, fully remote. Quick tip. Learn tools like Google Calendar, Trello, and Slack. These are basic but powerful and will make you stand out instantly. Bonus. If you specialize, like becoming a social media virtual assistant or real estate VA, you can charge even higher rates. Number 2. Customer support agent. After COVID, customer service went fully remote, and companies realized it actually works better this way. Now, UK startups, SaaS companies, and even e-commerce stores are hiring African remote agents like crazy. If you can, communicate clearly in English, stay calm under pressure, use systems like Zendesk, HubSpot, or Freshdesk, you're a perfect candidate. Real example. One Ugandan graduate landed a full-time customer support role for a UK health startup, earning £900 per month. No relocation needed. Quick tip. Mention your time zone clearly in your application. Companies love when they know you can work within UK business hours. Number 3. Content writer. Writing is one of the most in-demand remote skills, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Businesses need blog articles, website, copy product descriptions, email, newsletters. Real example. A Nigerian content writer I met built a simple Notion portfolio, sent 15 applications, and landed a $400 per month part-time writing gig within 3 weeks. Quick tip, you don't need to be a perfect English writer, but you must write clearly and simply. Use free tools like Grammarly or Hemingway app to polish your writing fast. Extra bonus, if you niche down into fields like SaaS, fintech, or healthcare, you can charge even higher rates over time. Number 4. Social media manager. Brands need to be visible online, and managing their social media presence has become a full-time job. If you enjoy content creation, planning posts, engaging with audiences, and running basic ads, this is for you. Real example. A Ghanaian remote worker started managing Instagram pages for UK beauty brands, and within 8 months, she had 5 clients paying her $400 to $600 each. Quick tip. Focus on learning one platform first, like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Then expand once you master it. Pro move. Use Canva for simple graphic design and learn how to schedule posts using free tools like Later or Buffer. Number 5. Junior web designer. Before you panic, no, you don't need to be a hardcore coder. You just need to know website builders like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or Webflow. Small businesses everywhere want simple, clean websites, and they're willing to pay if you can deliver. Real example. An Ethiopian freelancer started by building basic 3-page websites for NGOs, earning $250 to $500 per project, all from his laptop. Quick tip: build your own small portfolio, even if it's just 2 to 3 demo websites you design yourself. Clients want to see what you can do, not just hear promises. Bonus skill: if you add basic SEO setup, like page titles and meta descriptions, you become even more valuable and can charge more. Break section: audience engagement. Quick question: which of these 5 jobs feels like the best fit for you? Let me know in the comments. I actually read every single one, and I'd love to cheer you on. Quick recap with motivation. Let's quickly recap your 2025 remote career options. 1. Virtual assistant. 2. Customer support agent. 3. Content writer. 4. Social media manager. 5. Junior web designer. All 5 can be started remotely. All 5 are growing fast. And all 5 give you the freedom